In the question, one disk is rolling on an inclined plane and we have to determine the ratio of total kinetic energy and rotational kinetic energy. Let's start. First of all, we need rotational kinetic energy, which is half I omega square. Now, we know that the moment of inertia of the disk about its own axis is given by mr square by 2. Plugging this value in the equation above, we get 1 by 4 mr square, omega square. But, we also know that the velocity of the center of mass of disk can be written as v is equals to r omega. Again, plugging this above, we get rotational kinetic energy equals to 1 by 4 m v square. Now we need translational kinetic energy. It is half m v square. Total kinetic energy is the sum of rotational kinetic energy and translational kinetic energy. Adding the both, we get total kinetic energy equals to 3 by 4 m v square. Finally, we have to take the ratio of total kinetic energy and rotational kinetic energy. After cancelling the common terms, we left with 3 by 1, which is our answer. Therefore, option B is correct.